Hi Mike, how are you?
I am doing great, Kinjal. How about you?
I'm absolutely fantastic.
So,
Thanks for having me on your show.
show. So for the viewers, please introduce yourself and what we'll be talking about today.
I would like to talk about my first baby, which is Abhed. I'm Kinjal, I'm the founder, I'm the system architect of Abhed.
Okay. So what exactly Abhed is?
Abhed is basically a concept to protect our people around the globe,
Okay.
to protect their privacy, to protect their thoughts, their data, and to to provide them high-end security, a sense of security. I mean, it is a application.
Okay. So is it available for like for free or is it paid or what's the like how can anyone enroll in it?
See, Mike, there is nothing for free. If you are getting anything for free, then you are the product. You are paying a price which is hidden. So we do not offer anything for free, which is our USP too.
Okay.
Yes.
So, like you said that if we are not paying for any product, then they are taking a charge which is hidden, right? So,
Yes.
what exactly is that charge?
Your data, my friend, your chat details, your contact details, your private chats, your posts, your videos, everything has been stored to this their
Okay,
servers, which you are getting like if you are deleting some of your chats, then also it has been stored. So all of your data has been stored forever.
okay. So, how Abhed gonna change this?
As I've told you, we deal in privacy. We provide high end privacy with our latest features, in which we are pioneer. We
Okay,
have invented these features.
like
There are many. We'll come to this later on.
so. Before we move further, like what made you to create Abhed?
It is my personal urge to create something which gives a sense of security, as I've told you, because we are living two kind of life. One is physical, like we both are sitting here, and one is digital, which we are living on a digital platforms. We are connecting with the globe via internet, via our mobiles, but are we secure there?
Hardly.
Barely, yes, we aren't. So what could we do? Being a engineer by profession, being an enthusiastic creator, I always wanted to create something revolutionary to safeguard my people, to give them a feeling like they are my kids and I am their parent. I'm treating my people like this only. All my users are my kids, my children. I am protecting them from my heart through my application.
So, do you think like your vision and your values are great, but do you think that common people care about it after what is going on and how herds are being driven on Instagram and all that? Do you think people really care?
Absolutely. They are very much bothered. They are scared because data is like getting traded like anything in billions and billions of rupees. And for example, I have 400 posts on my Instagram. I am giving my hard blood and sweat to it to create the content on Instagram because I love creating. I am a creator from a long time and I am not getting a single penny. On the other hand, I am all of my data is being stored with them. They are getting billions out of it and I am not getting a single penny. Is it fair game?
No, no, it isn't.
So here we go. This urge motivated me to create Abhed.
So you talked about Instagram, right? What about YouTube? YouTube does have a creator program and they does offer revenue share for the creators.
Yeah, but how we are different from YouTube here, like YouTube have some parameters, some long hours of views and this kind of subscription, but we do not work like this. If you are getting a certain number of hits on your post, you are getting revenue out of it, as simple as that. Every single post, every single hit will help you generate money. Isn't it interesting?
Yes, it is. So you talked about how creators will generate revenue, right? But what about you as a company, as a like corporation? How Abhed will generate revenue?
That's a smart question. See, I would like to make a note. I'm coming from a country which is not very much developed. People are starving here. People suffer to earn money. Even dinner, lunch are question mark for many people. So my concept was to help them earn sufficient money for their family. This is one of the motivation to create your previous question, one of the motivation to create our application.
Okay.
Now, my revenue model, Abhed's revenue model, it is very simple. We work as anti-server app, so we do not store any of your data, and we are serious with it. We are delivering our commitments hardcorely. So, but as we have mentioned before, we do not provide anything for free. So, our subscription model is our bread and butter, is our revenue model. That's it. It is as simple as that.
Okay. And do you think that people really care about this and will it be profitable?
For us or for
Yes,
them?
yes, for you.
See, executing our mission, creating such an wonderful app is a win win situation for us. Revenue will flow. We don't bother about this.
Okay, that's great and that's very unique because starting a business, people always think about what revenue they will generate, not what people will generate from them. So
Yeah,
that's great.
yeah, we are different.
So let's talk about some of the features which you are providing from Abhi. Like, can you list some of them and we can then deep dive into them?
My most favorite is there are many features to be honest, and one of the one which is close to my heart is geofencing. Have you heard about anything like this?
No, I mean not exactly about geofencing, but from your videos, I have some hint about it, what it
Can you
is.
make a guess?
Like it is protecting our data. If I say in short, protecting our data or locking our data at a particular place that another person can access in that particular place only, not in any other.
Absolutely. It is what geofencing is all about, and it is a very useful feature. Being a visionary, and we have faced some issues previously that some of my company employees are not protecting our data and our reports confidential. So it is a call for us to create such an feature like this.
Okay.
So geofencing is here on board with Abhed, and what you have mentioned, it is exactly how it works. Like you can secure your data into any range, any range. If some artist is having an event in my city, and I want to log into my city only, the artist, so he can easily do it with just in one click.
Okay, that's interesting. And that's very useful.
It is. It is the need. It is the need of the time.
So you talked about one of the scenarios like an artist is holding a local event and he wants to log the geo into that particular city. What
as I have mentioned, if you are having a business and you are sharing a file with one of your employee, then you can lock the codes with your office coordinates, and the employee can only get the access to your location. Isn't it useful?
Yes, it is, and any corporation will love to use it.
It is it is it is the oxygen for the organizations, because what we are facing is the privacy. We are not getting. I am also running a company. I know the meaning of keeping our data secure and protected, and geofencing is just one go help.
Like apart from artist and holding a local event or for a organization, is there any other scenario in which geofencing can be used?
Yes, with any of your suppose you are my family friend, and I want to share you a personal picture, or some with my hobby or with my kids, and I want you to get access of that particular picture at when you reach to your home only, at your home only. The- I, I could send you at any time wherever you are, doesn't matter, but you can only get access to that image at your home, into your premises only.
Okay, sounds great.
It has many features. It depends on you how creative you are with our features. We have created the most unique features haven't exist before. It depends on you, what are your uses, how you want to use it, which kind of privacy you want. My type is I want to secure each and everything of mine. So it has been created like that. A single picture should not be leaked. A single picture should have its own coordinates to be open. So it is like that.
Okay, so there is n number of possibilities for
And be creative with our features, and you will get ample of uses. You will be blown away by the uses.
Okay, I am already blown away without even using it, and whatever you have told, it's like amazing. So that was only one feature, and we had so much time invested in it. So let's move to another feature which is close to your heart.
The second most important for us is encryption. So we are die hardly encrypted. Nobody can ever peep into our users' data, not even us, because we are anti-server app. So it is the need of the hour, and we are delivering it sincerely. No leaks, no misuse of your data, your pictures, your post.
So, like, yeah, you talked about encryption, but there are other applications also. If I take an example, like WhatsApp has end-to-end encryption, Telegram has end-to-end encryption, Signal has end-to-end encryption, and a bit more application have. I don't want to take names of all the application. So, how is your encryption different from all of them? How can you guarantee, how are you guaranteeing that nothing will be leaked?
For that you should use the app, because it is a long story to tell. And see, there are some parts to our app which are extremely precious to us, and once you use it, then only you should claim how it is encrypted. From our end, as I'm saying, it is anti server application. It has all its meaning.
Okay,
So no other need of coding, encoding and decoding your data to us.
okay,
We are flowing free handedly. Your data is your data ultimately. We are not interested in it at all.
okay.
So you just jump into it, and you will come to know how the feature goes like.
I would love to jump and use it, and will definitely share my insights. So while scrolling to your through your YouTube and Instagram, I found out one video which was about burner messages. So
Yes.
can you go a bit deep into what really burner messages is?
Burner messages meaning burning your messages, just collapsing it, deleting it from anywhere, even from your chat box.
Okay.
For example, we both are chatting onto app Abhed, and one of us leave the chat
Okay.
box due to some work or whatever it is. The chat will get burned, will delete completely
Okay.
from both the ends.
So how is it different from say disappearing messages of WhatsApp? How is it different?
It is different, like when I'll be back,
Okay.
I'll get the access to the chat.
Oh, that's great. I mean, that is really something which I crave for, because sometimes accidentally also we exit the chat, but we are talking to someone that important that we don't want to miss even a single text of them. So
Obviously,
that is unusual.
it is unusual, it is very important because all of are living in a digital world, as I've said before, and we talk confidential stuffs on our social media applications, and but we don't want anybody to peep into our chat or uh, but they don't you ever felt that there is a continuous question mark going on in our head that if somebody could open our application or would be reading our chats ever, then what would
Obviously,
happen?
obviously, it happens both in work and personal life.
So with burner messages you are getting a sense of peace that okay, my chat, my content is secure completely. Once I am out, the chat has been burned. Isn't it beautiful?
It is beautiful and amazing, because that is something which personally me is looking forward to, and I am sure that there are many people like me.
Obviously, because I have been talking to many corporates and when many technocrats and bureaucrats, they tell me that we are not feeling a sense of peace and security both with our digital life. A continuous question mark, continuous hesitation and anxiety they are going through. But now Abhed is the answer to all of their problems.
Okay.
And the features are tremendously powerful, tremendously, and after long research we are coming up with this.
Okay, and like we talked about geofencing, we talked about burner messages. Like for example, if I am posting something on a page, okay, and that is my original content, I have created it, I have brainstormed it, and I have put my efforts on it, and someone else takes a screenshot or downloads the video or try to some screen record it or do something. So, and you can see in the news everywhere, like it is connected to the burner messages thing. Like you talked about messages, right? I am talking about a post. So what if it leaks or someone else uses it without giving me credit, or what can Abhay do in such situation?
See, this scenario is very usual with other apps. You also know this.
Yes, yes.
You might have faced this too. But it is next to impossible with Abhed.
Okay.
This is how Abhed works. It is like a standard to us.
Okay.
Abhed means impenetrable, you
Yeah.
know that. Nobody can ever penetrate these standards. The example you have given me, let me come to this. You have posted your family video and some of you, but you are getting butterflies in your stomach that I should not be, nobody should screenshot this, or my
Yes.
video should not be shared or mocked, whatever it
Yes,
is.
because even if I'm not with the family of a friend or female friend or any loved one, and today, right now, every after AI has been like public, everything can be done from that particular image.
Okay, so with Abhed, there is a feature called forensic gating,
Okay.
in which a screenshot cannot be done.
Okay.
Isn't it magic?
Yes,
in just a click.
Okay. So, like, screenshot is totally disabled, or s- like, if someone takes a screenshot, or somehow, if we take a hypothetical situation, if somehow I take the screenshot.
So why it has been called forensic gating? If your screenshot had been taken,
Okay.
now what? You can trace that person.
Okay.
You will get the notification that at this location this person has taken your screenshot of your content, and you can trace that person. You can have a conversation, or you can make appeal to delete your content, and so on. But you can trace that person. Isn't it necessary?
Yes, and it will.
And being leave, you are not a powerful person, you are a normal human being, aam aadmi desi bhasha mein, but you are getting this power that you can trace anybody
Yes,
for just mere getting a screenshot of your content. Isn't it power
it
you are
is.
getting
Yeah.
from Abhed?
Because in the traditional way, if we will go, we will keep going and going, and even
There
if
is
we
no.
involve the police and all, then it is hardly likely that it will be traced.
First of all, if you've been screenshot, you will never come to know.
Obviously,
But with Abhed, only and only with Abhed, you will be notified and you can trace that person or system.
that's
It is
right.
important to have this kind of power, because my dad has taught me that be a powerful person not by money, but from the the power come with privacy. If you are a private person, you are a powerful person. We are providing this with Abhed, and as I've said, nothing is for free. These features I'm talking about all have certain charges.
Yeah, yeah.
Models are there, but I think in today's era no money is big when it comes to privacy of you and
Obviously,
your our family and our friends. And
it is invaluable.
extremely, it is precious. Anybody can pay any price, but it should be under awareness,
Yeah.
and that's what we are doing.
Okay, so like all the features have blown my mind, and you are saying that there are lots and lots of more features apart from them, right?
Yeah.
So I want to know more about, like, you said that we have to pay a price to get the enrollment and to be a part of a page, right? So is there a free, like anyone can go and try, and if they want to upgrade, then they can upgrade, or like how is it divided?
See, it is application for the Aam Admi, as I have mentioned, because we are coming from a country where not everybody is earning good money to pay to us for their privacy. But yes, we are so sincere to help each and everyone. So there is a free tier, in which anybody can register and create content and create money as well, as I have mentioned. And this is our monetary system which we are creating. Content creators are always welcome to our application, but if you are serious to move ahead, there are various tiers like
Okay.
professional tier, ultra elite tier, and sovereign.
Okay.
These all are the beauties, wonders of the world, I could say.
Okay.
I'll speak endlessly if I'll jump to tiers and tiers and tiers,
Okay.
but I'll take a pause, because you don't know what you will experience with our application, and I can just appeal to check it out by yourself. But the answer is yes. They are free features. Some of the features are free. You can have experience, and later on you can upgrade yourself.
Okay.
And yes, you can safeguard your life, digital life at least. The beautiful feature from forensic gating I forget to mention was like, you told me na, you are a content creator on Instagram, and some other creators are uploading your content without giving you credits.
Yeah.
But it is not possible with Abhed, because here we are leaving a mark called forensic mark,
Okay.
forensic gating. That is why it's called forensic gating,
Okay.
and this process is not possible.
Okay, so it's an invisible forensic mark. The
Yes,
watermark sort of, but it is invisible.
invisible, and
Okay.
the entire process which is occurring on other app is not going to happen with Abhed. Your complete control on your content will be yours.
That's great.
Yeah.
So let's talk about creators. So like I told you that, and you already know that YouTube like gives around 60-65% to the creators, and rest goes to them, and we are tracked by the algorithms and everything. Like if they want, then we will be what we want to be. Otherwise, it was not traditionally like that when YouTube was new, but right now it's the same. Or whether you take any example, and you also have experience, as you said that you have 400 posts and all. So, how Abhed will help creators in that way? Like, if we talk about numbers, what is like different in Abhed from you say YouTube, for example?
See, YouTube, I'm not very handy with YouTube, but as I know that you should have 1000 hours to be
Yeah, yeah,
1000 hours and some
yeah. It's
four
like
thousand or something.
4,000 hours you have to have, and 500 subscribers you have to have. If you are making shorts, then 10 million views you have to have. Otherwise, your content is not monetized. That is one part. That is one part, and you have already answered that on Abhay, creators don't need to follow that
Yes,
footsteps.
yes.
I am talking about that if I am monetized on YouTube, I get 60-65% from YouTube. So how is Abhay different from that?
See, Abhed is making a different mark with providing 82% to the content creators. You mentioned 60-70% with YouTube.
That's
It's a big company. Giving 60%, 70% is not a big deal, man. These creators are helping you to be a giant, like billion-dollar company. And here we being a very with our baby we are providing 82% to our creators, because that's our mission, to help them creating money, to be them living a rich life. So that is all our agenda.
okay. So 82% is something like never heard of. I have used several platforms, even some private ones, but I have not seen anyone providing 82%. So I will not go into deep about this, because it is something very personal to a organization and it cannot be shared in public. But this 82% in my vision is something which will attract a huge crowd, because every other person is or creator, if you say, is finding out an alternative. The only reason they are sticking to these giants is because they don't have any option, and now you are giving them an awesome option.
Thank you, Mr. Mike. See, we have seen people who have beautiful passion and they are very dedicated to them as well, like playing guitars. Some have passion of playing football, but the reason being not able to pursue that passion is money. We have been taught that you have to fulfill the family needs and you have to be enough self-sufficient by this age or that age. So people are forcing themselves to certain kind of job or start a business to earn money, my friend, but they are not pursuing their passion to earn money. Isn't it strange? Youngsters are doing job to earn money but ignoring their passion to earn money. If money is the answer, why not from their passion only? So that they can live a contented life, satisfied life, that their life is worthy enough.
Because there is no option and no platform offers like supports them in a way that they
Sorry
can.
to interrupt, but we do not bother about any other platforms because we are taking everything on our shoulders.
Okay,
We are not looking to anybody else. We are here to play the biggest game,
that's great.
and that is it. You are giving me example, but I am not taking anybody's name because there is no competition for us. That's us. That's Abhed.
Yes, after hearing what features you have mentioned and what revenue model you are working on, I don't think any competition is there really. And so before we wrap up, I want to know that what is your vision with Abhed in the coming say 5 years? What is your vision?
There is saying in which it concludes like only dead fish flow with the reverse flow. We are not dead fish. We flow anti direction. That is that is our vision. We are flowing in another direction. We are flowing in opposite direction of the market. People are making money from the data, but we are just ignoring it
Okay,
because we believe on our product,
okay,
which is the features we as we discussed, and that is enough. That are so sound that leave next 5 years. I can challenge you upcoming 50 years
okay.
that Abhed gonna create such marks that everything gonna be so secure, your personal life, your physical life, your financial life, your mental life, everything gonna be protected under Abhed. That's why we are called the digital fortress, a fortress where you are completely secure financially through our monetization. It is 82% mentally because you are being at peace, you are getting privacy, you are secure, being aam admi too, and physically you are living a beautiful life because you are happy in your inner world. You are completely cut off.
Yeah, and I don't have to be skeptical that should I express this feeling to that person on messages, will it leak or someone will come to know or this will be public?
Because we are giving you the control,
Yeah,
complete control in your hands. So let's flow in opposite direction. We are not that fish.
yeah, that's great and that's unique.
Absolutely unique. And it is Abhed.
Yeah. So in the previous podcast we recorded on 18th, I remember that there was a blacklist offer going on for 500 early adopters, in which they were getting like the premium, the professional tier for 20,000, and the access was for lifetime, right? So, is there any offer going on for our viewers right now if they want to enroll on Abhed? As Abhed is like comes closer and closer to the public release. So, is there any ongoing offers?
See, Mr. Mike, we are in very high demand as of now. And the slot of 500 is, to be honest, is packed.
Okay.
But um, being my close friend, I can uh, accept your request. And for more than 500, we have different slot coming up.
Okay.
I will notify you shortly,
Okay.
and you can make appeal to your viewers or
Yeah,
your
sure.
audience,
Yeah.
and that is it.
Okay.
What I have to offer, I am done with my offers,
Okay.
and we are coming up with maybe for next 1500 people.
Okay.
So the slot will be open, but with a different offers,
Okay. Amount will be different and the.
amount, and the complimentary offers were more than 20 lakhs offered.
Yeah.
But this could be different. Just wait and watch.
Okay. Means our viewers will get something or the other. Right?
Obviously, we are here to offer you, just to give.
Okay. So before we wrap up, is there something which you want to say to the world, or any message as the system architect or the founder of Abhed to the people?
You are secured. You have been secure, and just keep watching us, keep growing with us, and just leave everything to us. Thank you.
Okay, Kinjal, it was nice talking to you, and you can follow Kinjal on Instagram. She is available with handle INKM18, and for more videos, you can check out our YouTube. That is the Inner Billionaire, and that was a great show.
Thank you, Mike, for having me.
Okay,
I'm grateful, really grateful.
take care.
See you on Abhed soon.
Sure.
Take care. Thank you.